Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We have got an unboxing and we have a variety of different things. So this is kind of the we're unboxing everything video. So this is viewer mail. This is from one of our wholesalers from the Tundra, which we still have the link down in the description for you to get 15% off. So check that out if you ever want to buy off Tundra. This is a mistake from one of our wholesalers that has been remedied. And this is from Amazon Overstock 888 Lots Liquidation. So we've got everything. It's like a smorgasbord platter right here of unboxing. All right, so let's see which one we unbox first. All right, so we're going to kind of move from this direction to this direction. We'll save the viewer mail to the end. I have the best viewers in the world, and you guys, so this particular viewer was going to send me a sample of what he's been selling. So we'll give you more details on that in a bit. All right, so this is kind of an odd package. It's a giant boomerang. Paul was afraid for a minute. He thought I was going to throw it at him. All right, so I'm guessing we just cut the seams here. I'm not sure what exactly this is.
You might be able to cut the end and slide it out.
Like this way? Okay. Oh, yeah. We are family. Look at that. That's cool.
It is cool.
Is this the only thing in the box?
Probably.
Hold on, I'm going to look. Yep, that's it.
Good job, Heather.
Did you think I was going to climb inside the box? Paul thought it for a minute. He thought I was going to climb inside the box. This is cool. If I didn't already have all my walls covered, I would definitely keep this. It doesn't really match my house, though. I don't really have whites and blacks in my house. I've got a lot of wood grains. All right, so family sign. So that's going to go on Hooked on Pickin. Make sure you stay tuned. At the end, we're going to price everything. All right, so then we have, this was a one of our wholesalers that messed up, and so I contacted the company, and so this is actually a wholesaler on Tundra. And so Tundra is our wholesale website that basically it's kind of like the mall, and then it has tons of little stores in it. So Tundra is the host, and then there's all these little stores. And so we bought from a particular company called CA Bria Wholesale, and they got one of our purse orders wrong. So when I contacted them, I snapped a picture of what we got, and I was like, hey, this is what we got. We were supposed to get this one. And so they're supposed to send me the correct one. The one we got wasn't as much money, but we were allowed to keep it. So that was a bonus. So definitely good customer service. So did they?
I don't think they charged us for this, did
They did not. As soon as they found out we got the wrong one, they just immediately sent it to us for free, basically. And we got to keep the other one. We actually already sold the other one. So we were super excited about that. It just took me a little bit longer because it wasn't on my invoice to figure out a picture for it. So let's see. Is this the correct one this time? It's an Alyssa bag is what it's called. It's a women's handbag. This is,
looks right.
Yeah, this one looks right. Okay, so it's got a big crossbody. It's like a backpack. So if I take that out, it's got a little zipper there, and then this is a really long strap. I'm going to put this back in here to kind of protect the leather on it. And then I thought, was it supposed to have...
Boy, that looks nice.
Yes, it does. So essentially, we got a free bag. So...
Good customer service.
Yeah, oh, yeah, see, I knew it was supposed to come with another, it's like a two-part, so it comes with like a wristlet wallet type thing.
What's the front look like? Of the handbag.
Of the handbag?
Of the wristlet.
Of the wristlet? Like this.
Yeah.
And then it just snaps down like this.
Classic leather look.
Yeah. Looks like an envelope.
Yeah, it does.
It just looks like an envelope. So it has got a ton of room in here. It's all padded right now, but it's got a ton of room with extra zippers. Keep that in there. Sorry. So it's got a pocket here, a zipper here, and it's got this little snap in the middle to kind of keep it, but a really nice big deep pocket. And it's kind of cheetah print on the inside.
Cool.
So,
Can you ask them if they want more handbags?
would you like more handbags? Because we ordered just a few. You guys seem to buy them out pretty fast. So if you like handbags, do you have a particular color you like? Do you like this neutral browns? Do you like the blacks? Do you like the grays? Let us know. Do you want crossbody style? Oh, this has 2 magnets to hold it down. That's cool. That's a gorgeous backpack crossbody bag. So it can be a backpack, it can be a handbag, or a crossbody bag. So, way to go, Tundra. Just remedying it. That's, what was it? CA Bria Wholesale on the Tundra website.
Yeah, that was good on them.
That was really awesome. So we will put that on Hooked on Pickin. We'll let you know how much it costs. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. We'll put all the pricing of that. All right. Not sure. Okay. So here's this one. How do I open it? We're going to open it this way. And then we'll get to the viewer mail after that. But all these items will be available immediately on hookedonpickin.com. Okay. Oh, this is more from our metal. The company we buy the metal ones from. Oh, this is perfect time of the year. Look at the little angel.
They're all just a little bit different.
They are. And so this is from recycled metal. It's called Handcrafted and Ethically Made Mira is a metal company. And so we buy it from them. They are a stateside company, but they contract out to other countries to keep people from doing slave labor. They pay them a reasonable wage to make these things. So it's all handcrafted, which is why each one is just a little bit unique. So we got some angels. What's in here? And I usually rewrap all of these in bubble wrap when we ship them so that they ship nicely. Oh, is this a new one? This one's a new one.
Yeah, it's a new one.
Lighthouse.
That's pretty.
Your dad would like this because your dad likes lighthouses. And it's nice and metal, so you can hang it outside if you wanted. So we've got the lighthouse. We've got the angel. Move our viewer mail over here. Get to that in a minute. Let's see what else we got. This is another angel. Here's another angel, because we did sell out of those really fast. Another angel. Oh, here's our moose chime.
These always sell.
Yeah, these are cool.
They're the first thing that sells.
This is what it looks like. Let me untangle this part. Hold on. There we go. Hold on. I twisted the chain on it. There we go. All right. Sound pretty, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is a little bell.
And so it's got a tree and a moose and a bell. Perfect. So you can put it, like I said, inside or outside. So we got a bunch of those. Bunch of the moose chimes, I mean. This one says, oh, this is our mini hummingbird chime. We sold those really fast, too.
Yeah.
So, and all the bells sound very similar in tone.
That's different. They've got actual packaging now.
Yeah. So we've got some hummingbirds. And is this the lighthouse one again? Yes, this is the lighthouse one again. Which means this one's the lighthouse one, and this one is as well. Then we've got a box. Ooh, that is heavy. I think that's it. It's in there. I mean, it's got the card from the company. So, all right. So let's go ahead and check out this little box. So we've got an unboxing inside of an unboxing. What in the world is this? It said there's 4 pieces in here. This is like perfectly wrapped. Look at that. So I'm going to leave those wrapped because, and I'm going to destroy this wrapping, but I'll wrap this in nice bubble wrap so it will still look nice. Okay, so it's a tea light. We have tons of tea lights on the store if you'd like some. We got strawberry and cocador ones. What is it? It is a Nativity. So you put the light back there and it shadows the Nativity on the wall.
Perfect timing.
Perfect time of the year. So we've got 4 of those. I'm going to definitely put this back on so that it stays safe. Ta-da! So I will put more bubble wrap and stuff around that when I store it. So that's awesome. So all of these new metal pieces will be available on hookedonpickin.com. The lighthouse, I think, is a brand new one. I think we've had all these other ones before, but we've been sold out for quite some time. All right, so the one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is, first off, this is from Tundra, and that was a return or a fix of a wrong item from Tundra. And so if you're interested in any of that, we're going to get to the viewer mail in just a second. Go down in the description below. If you're interested in buying off Tundra at all, I do believe you need to have a reseller's license or a tax exempt or whatever it's called in your state. Check on that. It may, not be true for all the companies, but go ahead and sign up. You can get 15% off for your first 300 in the first 30 days you order off them. So we've had quite a few of you sign up, and it's been really cool to see you guys' interest, because it's just literally, it's like a mall. It's got everything you can think of on Tundra. All right, this is viewer mail. And so this is from a guy named Brett. I'm not going to show his address or anything. Brett Brazard, you've seen him comment on a lot of the live ones, but he started selling coffees. And we were on a live stream the other week, last week, and we were like, hey, he's like, would you mind if I sent you samples? And I said, absolutely. So I will do my best to try to get his contact info to put in the link in the description. If not, you can always email me, and then I can maybe send his info to you. And so if you're interested in getting his coffee, but let's see what kind he said. He knows I'm obsessed with coffee. And so let's go ahead and just check out what kind did he even send me. Okay, he knows I have K-Cups. The original Cajun coffee. Cafe Louisiana. Now, he is from Louisiana. So he sent me Louisiana coffee, which I think is amazing. You guys are the best. You viewers are the best. Anytime you ever want to send me viewer mail, I will open it on camera. I would love that so much. Shoot me an email. Say, hey, I got a package en route for you. And so, look at that. So this is Mellow Joy, the original Cajun coffee. I will taste test it and let you know. I'll probably comment on the taste test on our next live stream is what I'll probably do. Is I'll have one of these on our live stream on Monday, and then I'll let you know how much I love it. But they are K-Cups, so that's going to be perfect for me. Since I do have a Keurig and I drink lots of coffee. And so he is feeding my addiction. So instead of giving me a super chat on the live stream, he sent me a whole box of K-Cups. Brett, you're the best. So if you guys ever want me to unbox something as a viewer mail, please feel free to go ahead and send it to Hooked on Pickin. You can shoot me an email. But you guys are the best. We love you. We're going to go ahead and price the things that we just unboxed. The family sign, all of the metal ornaments and chimes, and then also this new purse. So we'll be right back. All right, here we go. We have got all of the items priced. Don't forget to check out our weekly specials on hookedonpickin.com. We've got fun things for sale on hookedonpickin.com. They're all discounted items. We do 12 different items each week, and they do always change. So you go to hookedonpickin.com and find all these fun items. What did we price? All of the fun things that we have just added to the store from this unboxing. We have the family decorative sign, 12 inches by 36 inches, $24.99. We only have the one. So check that out and snatch it up quick. Then we have the mini hummingbird chime, really, really pretty chime, $12.99. Very cute. You can hang it indoor or outdoor. Then we have our metal angel bell, made completely out of metal, and so it's really, really durable. You can hang that up. Really pretty bell, $17.99. A few of those available. Then we have our mountain moose chime. This has been a popular one, $19.99. Really intricate details on the fun chime. Lovely moose chime will bring the great outdoors into your home or garden. Then we've got our new one. This is a nautical lighthouse chime, $12.99 for this. It is 15 inches by and then 2 inches wide. So 15 inches long, really pretty chime. Got 3 different bells on it. So check out that nautical lighthouse chime. Then we have our beautiful metal nativity scene. It will shadow your wall with the nativity, or it will look really cute even lit up from behind on a coffee table. $17.99 for this small, cute metal nativity. Perfect time of the year to snatch that up. And then we have, last but not least, the new purse, Fashion Flap 2-in-1 convertible backpack purse. It is really cool. Comes with this extra envelope that goes on the outside. Really neat zippers, lots of different compartments. It can be a backpack or a crossbody bag. So faux vegan leather, magnetic snap and zip top closure, gold tone hardware, detachable shoulder strap. So it's a really neat 2-in-1 backpack or clutch, and you can use it really great. So check out hookedonpickin.com for all of the fun things that you see. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.